A Luminux platform is Rakuten Medical's proprietary precision anti-cancer photoimmunotherapy technology, which combines the power of light with drug and device components. The drug component consists of a cell-targeting moiety conjugated with one or more dyes that selectively binds the surface of target cells. Illuminating the targeted cells with non-thermal red light activates the cell-bound drug, which leads to rapid and selective cell killing. Tumor-targeted treatment based on a Luminux platform is initiated with intravenous infusion of the antibody conjugate that distributes systemically and accumulates at the tumor where it attaches to specific antigens present on the surface of tumor cells. After infusion of the conjugate, the tumor is illuminated with non-thermal red light to transiently excite the antibody conjugate to elicit anti-cancer activity. A laser is used as the light source. Superficial tumors are illuminated with frontal diffusers. Deep subcutaneous and large tumors are illuminated with cylindrical diffusers, inserted into catheters placed using image guidance. Total illumination lasts about 5 minutes for each treated region. Antibody conjugates bound to the antigen on the cancer cells are transiently excited upon non-thermal red light illumination to induce a biophysical process that compromises the membrane integrity of cancer cells, leading to cancer cell death and tumor necrosis with minimal effects on surrounding normal tissue. Moreover, this mechanism of action may activate immune cells, such as antigen-presenting cells and NK cells, and may stimulate tumor-specific cytotoxic T cells. Additional treatment cycles can be applied when there is residual disease and if new lesions appear. Rakuten Medical is developing and commercializing treatments based on the Luminux platform as a new precision cell-targeting anti-cancer approach. As a single agent or for use in combination with immuno-oncology modulators to treat local, regional, and disseminated cancers from a broad range of solid tumor types.